Okay, this is a tutorial on how to make a ball bounce in Flash. If you open the bouncing ball start.fla, you should see the ball already. And in the motion path layer, I am drawing a line, which is going to be the path that you want the ball to bounce in. You can see me here messing around with the lines, but basically what you want to do is you want to drag the line to the center of the ball. If you have the snap option set on this line should snap to the center of the balls. Now what I'm doing is I'm using my pointer tool to just make a curve on the lines to give it a natural bounce look. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm going to right click on the motion path and call it a guide. Then drag the ball layer to the bottom of the motion path, which makes it a true motion path. Right now there's no tween, so I'm going to create a classic tween, and when that happens, the ball follows the motion path, as you can see by me scrubbing back and forth. If it doesn't work, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to drag the ball center to the end of the line. You go to the first frame and drag it to the end of the line, then go to the last frame and make sure the center of the ball is snapped to the end of that line as well. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to try to do some squash and stretch. At first I tried to do it regular, but it just seemed like it was being thrown. So what I did is I went to orient a path for the tweening. What that does is it keeps the ball in line with the motion. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to turn the ball and then re-squash and stretch it and make it look like it would if it was truly squash and stretching. And then the last frame I rotate it again and then do the squash and stretch to make it look like it's leaving the frame quickly. And then I make sure that the center one is squished as well, so it looks like it worked pretty good. Now I'm going to click on the tween and go to the side where it says tween and change the ease to ease in and out. I'm going to click the center of the tween and look for the settings for the ease on the properties. Click there, hit ease, and then I believe when it goes down it's negative. I have negative 50, and then I click the center of that tween and at 50 for it bouncing out of the screen, so boink. And then I have a test animation at the end of this to see how it looks. It looks pretty good.